Alright guys, welcome back for another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm here on the lovely Loch. Loch Lomond, and we've nestled ourselves into this wee quiet area. Really like the way it's all overgrown. You can see there's trees all along the bank. It's going to be really cold tonight, -1, with -7, -8 wind chill. We've got a cast iron pot, we're going to cook a lovely stew. We're just in this area, it's overgrown with blackberry bushes. The boys are just in, Jamie and Jason are in, getting rid of all the bramble blackberry bushes out the way, make a wee flat spot for us. There's the guys there, working hard. We did want to go on the shoreline, but it's been obliterated with all the rain coming off the mountains. It's just washed up leaves, just destroyed the shoreline. Just sand and leaves. So the shoreline is no flat anymore, it's just like an angle. But we're going to get set up, get a nice wee camp, going to be under the tarps tonight, so let's get cooking. Oh, it's a tough one.
Across there, we're going straight line as you can.
Set up, we're getting the tarp up and collecting firewood. It's 1:30, it's going to be dark just before 4 o'clock because it's the winter, or nearly winter. It's going to feel like winter tonight. I know, it's all brambles and leaves. Jason's collecting the sticks for to make a tripod so we can hang the cast iron pot off her. Get a lovely stew, we're going to get on with that in a wee minute. Just a wee look. Oh, look at that. Plenty of good times to be had in there, Jamie.
Aye.
We have company. Lovely dog has turned up, jumping up on us. Hello. How are you doing? There's nothing in here for you. I'm just making the hook for the tripod to put the pot on. Where'd you go? You watch the tarp.
I think I saw a black one.
Got the fire going. Got the tripod bolt. We need to keep that out of the fire. That needs to come out the fire with a wee hook.
What flavour was the black one?
Guys, come in and you get that.
What's that?
Needs to stay out the fire. Put it up the tap, actually. So we've got that, we've got our hook ready. Get the cast iron pot. Full of food. So we've got this wood so far. It's an hour to dark. So we need to go on a timber run, get our wood for the night.
Did you check in case you want anything?
They two are standing and doing nothing. Like, get the wood, get the wood. They're like, aye, alright then, alright then. Now we need to go and get the wood.
Aye.
Get all settled for the night before it gets dark and get this stew on. He's hungry?
Starving.
I tell you what, it's freezing, isn't it?
That's Baltic. It's bloody cold.
It's cold.
Cold wind, Mel.
There's a below zero wind chill, and when it gets dark it's going to get right up. Right up to 7, 8, who knows. So we've got the tarp here, but Jason has put his other tarp to cover that side. It's in a shit fashion, but we don't care. We'll just like stick it there, block the wind, and that's it.
Really?
It's a heavy one.
Aye.
Nearly went there.
Nearly.
Oh. Stood my own boot there. Risky business. Let's rotate you. There we go.
Last one, I'll fling the rest across. Well, smaller for me.
Struggling for wood on this side. It's all rowing. It's weird. So, got some beech. Try and keep it burning longer tonight. So, obviously, all the beech trees are over on that side of the stream, and the rowing all's good and it's dense. It's just burning rapid, and we need some long burners for tonight. So, need something to burn away for a while. Because all these big logs here, all just some old school ribbon it's been lying about. There's a couple of wee bits of oak in there, but it's just burning really fast. Burning fast and just going to a white powder. You're not getting a great deal of embers off it, so it's just, I know it's not a good wood to burn anyway. So, need to get this groundwork laid, get some stuff for later, and then we can get the stew on, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, man, I tell you. Next time we get a wee simple stew on the go. In the cast iron pot. Getting a couple of the beech tree logs has helped a bit, because that timber we had wasn't any good. First time in this area. The place I normally go mushroom hunting just further down, but it can be busy with dog walkers, and we just wanted to come somewhere quick tonight that didn't require a big walk, especially carrying that heavy pot. Weighs a lot, so I just kind of tucked in out here out the way, but it turns out that all the good trees are further up where I go mushroom hunting, so we're having to jump streams and do a bit of work. But when you go camp with me, there's always work involved, you know. Very rarely is it all plain sailing, and I like it that way, you know. I like it like that. Put a shift in, come out and put a shift in. It's keeping us warm because it's bloody freezing. It's probably about -2 the now, wind chill. It's just going to get dark soon. And it's going to get really cold tonight, so it's important to get this stew on and get it cooked, because obviously the darker and colder it gets, we want that fire blazing, and when we're cooking on it we can't get it blazing. It's got to be at that kind of medium to low temperature, so you know, we'll try our best. Onions are going in, and the steak's going in. I'm just going to fry them off, brown the beef. I was going to add things in at different stages, but just going in. We're not peeling the carrots, we're being a rustic style. Obviously potatoes will go in later on. but that's fine.
I think just buying in some iron to make it in. Oh, well. Just their hands move, the one who you bought.
What do you think? There we go. Awesome.
I'm saying all the photos took away from here. There we go. I'll let it go in, it's all everything. Oh. Oh, cool.
Ho ho ho! Whoa, that's increasing the weight on that. You get a wee stir of it and we'll get the lid on it. The lid's extra weight as well. Jeez oh.
Now we got a bit of vinegar in it.
There we go, jamming. Let that cook for, I'll say an hour in that pot, maybe an hour and a half, we'll see. We are running a 2-fire system because it's bloody freezing. That one's kicking in and it is Baltic. So we've got the front fire and then we're up the back there and we've got the stew on, just ticking over, because obviously you can't cook with a big massive heat. Just got to have a rolling kind of small heat to get that stew going. Don't want to annihilate it. So we've got this front fire going here, which is just starting to pick up. So we're just starting to get a heat off that. We're happy now, eh?
Yeah, man.
Jamie was doing star jumps here, just seen him. Yeah. It's stew time. Get in there, there's plenty.
Oh.
Oh yes. Oh. It's steaming, man, steaming.
It's just meat.
Yes, give me the meat, give me the meat. Oh. We are freezing, it's really cold. There's no rocks here. There's just no rocks to build a wee firewall or a fire pit or anything, so we've just got a bare fire. So we've plugged up all the big thick ones behind us, behind the fire, try and reflect a bit of heat. The breeze has just died down a wee bit because the breeze is just cut you with a knife. Oh yeah, keep going baby, keep going.
Yeah, I'll do me anyway.
Aye, let's get some more of the juice. A bit of gravy. You've got so we're working on getting a 4-foot long fire. I always say a 4-foot long fire in this temperature is kind of what you need. And we didn't have that to start with, so we're messing a bit with it. Aren't we? Yeah. And that is 4-foot long. The timber we've got there is 4 foot long. We just need to get it to catch. And then we should be comfortable. Because when that breeze comes in, it's freezing. Our feet are cold, eh?
Oh, it's freezing.
It's cold.
Cold days.
Bloody Baltic. Now we've got the 4-foot fire. It might be burning the tarp. Whoa. It is roasting. We've been freezing since we go here for about 5-6 hours. Cold, and now we're actually oh, these shoes off, look at that.
Aye, getting the tootsies
Loving it, Jamie. So now we can actually chill, we're warm. So we've actually got the fire pumping, we've spread it out the 4 foot wide. There's some seriously good embers in there. And a good flame. Tons of logs. So we're happy. So we're going to just sit and chill for a while. This is good. Good shit. But I'm really tired. I've got a puppy. And, she's 11 weeks old now, little Ringo, and Ringo will be in my next video. So I'm going to start taking the dog out of me. see how she gets on, get her trained up with the fire, used to all the areas that we're going to go to, make sure she's safe, do some training and stuff like that. But that will not be in the video, I need to do that myself. But I'm looking forward to taking her out. She's a wee half staffy, half cocker spaniel, and Jason has got the brother of that, little Otis, so the two dogs will be out with us. We'll be running about the woods with them like heedless bloody fucking chickens probably. So aye, look out for that in the next ones. But the fire is pumping good. Finish this video, my battery keeps cutting out. Batteries are frozen. Fire's still going. We're getting packed up. Freezing cold night. I was up with diarrhea. I'm no well. I'm under the weather. I've got some sort of bug. My stomach is killing me. I feel like I'm going to vomit. So tie this up really quickly before this battery goes again. I was over at the water there trying to finish it. Battery just conked out after 2 seconds. So I've had the camera down inside here for 20 minutes to try to heat it up. But wee quick video. Cheers for watching. Got another couple of winter ones planned in the new year with my new dog. Gonna try and get the dog trained up in the outdoors and let it experience its first camp and stuff like that, sitting next to the fire. So Ringo, my dog, will be coming on the next one. Have a good Christmas and New Year, guys.